Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey through time, exploring the timeless wisdom of renowned philosophers and thinkers on a subject that has captivated humanity for centuries: time management. From the ancient Greeks to modern-day visionaries, the quest to master time has been a common thread weaving through the tapestry of human thought. Join us as we unearth these golden nuggets of wisdom presented in both Arabic and English to help you unlock your full potential and navigate the complexities of life with purpose and intention. Get ready to discover how the words of these great minds can illuminate your path to a more fulfilling and productive life. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. These words, uttered centuries ago by William Penn, still ring truer than ever in our fast-paced world. Think about it. We yearn for more time, yet we squander precious moments on trivial pursuits, letting them slip through our fingers like grains of sand. In Arabic, the saying goes, "Lodi bikaklasif en lim tqtahqtkk." Like a double-edged sword, time can either be wielded to our advantage or cut us short if we don't respect its power. Stephen Covey, a pioneer in personal effectiveness, wisely said, "The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities." This simple yet profound statement holds the key to unlocking true productivity. Instead of letting our schedules dictate our lives, we must consciously choose how we want to spend our time. What truly matters to us? What goals do we want to achieve? By aligning our schedules with our values and aspirations, we gain control of our time and our lives. Procrastination is the thief of time, Edward Young famously declared. It's a universal struggle, this insidious habit of delaying tasks, even when we know it only leads to increased stress and diminished results. But how do we combat this thief in the night? The answer lies in understanding the root causes of our procrastination. Are we afraid of failure, overwhelmed by the task at hand, or simply lacking in motivation? Once we identify the culprit, we can begin to implement strategies to overcome it, replacing procrastination with focused action. In our relentless pursuit of productivity, we often forget the importance of rest. But as the Roman poet Ovid reminds us, take rest. A field that has rested gives a bountiful crop. Just as a farmer allows his land to lie fallow, we too must allow ourselves periods of rest and rejuvenation. This means disconnecting from work, engaging in activities we enjoy, and prioritizing sleep. By taking care of our physical and mental well-being, we return to our tasks refreshed and re-energized, ready to tackle new challenges. The bad news is, time flies. The good news is you're the pilot. This inspiring quote by Michael Altshuler serves as a powerful reminder that we are not merely passengers on this journey through time. We have the power to choose our destination and navigate the course of our lives. Let us embrace this responsibility with courage and determination, using the wisdom of the ages to make the most of every precious moment. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of timeless wisdom. We hope these insights from the great minds of history have inspired you to take a fresh look at your relationship with time. Remember, time is a gift, a precious resource that should be cherished and used wisely. By incorporating these principles into your daily life, you can unlock your full potential and create a life filled with purpose and meaning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more wisdom from the great minds of history.